So continuing on with this problem, now we need to graph our other line. So the second line was x minus y is less than or equal to 3. So we find all the things we usually do. So I'll start with intercepts. So if I plug in 0 for y, I'm changing it to an equal sign just because I'm only finding intercepts. So now divide by -1, -1, y is equal to -3. So that's my y-intercept. I'll plug in 0 for y, change it to an equal sign to find the intercept. So the x-intercept is +3. Now I want to solve the equation for y, and that will give me the slope. So copy it down again. I'm going to move the x to the other side, so -y is less than or equal to -x plus 3. Then I want to divide each term by -1. Y is greater than or equal to, I divided by a negative, +1x minus 3. My y-intercept is -3, which is what I found before, so that's nice that those match. And my slope is 1, so I can write that as 1 over 1. So I have a slope and an x and y-intercept. And now I'm going to get a different color, so I'm going to do this second line in green. It's absolutely crucial that you use a different color. I will not accept graphs with both lines being in the same color. So make sure you pick a different color. And I'm ready to graph. So my x-intercept is +3. My y-intercept is -3. My slope is 1. So always check your slope. Think up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. Okay, good. So now I'm ready to graph the line. Use your ruler or your straight edge. And solid or dashed, it's solid because of the equal bar. So here we go. All right, so I've got my line. And I didn't do my test point yet, so I'll use 0, 0 again. So if I put in my test point, which is 0, 0, so 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 3, 0 less than or equal to 3. That's true. So go back up here. That test point's included in my region, so I'm going to shade this side of the line, so there. All right, I graphed both lines. Now, the very last thing you need to do, get a different color, and your final solution region is going to indicate the region where both inequalities are true. So that would be the overlap, the place where you have both colors. So my final solution region is over here where I have both red and green. So this is the final solution. Do not skip this step. You absolutely have to indicate that you know where the overlap is. This green section over here is not a solution to the system because it's not both, it's just green. And likewise for this red over here, it's not a solution to the system because it's just red. And that is all.